Hello, friends! Meet Ellie the Elephant. She's friendly, fun, and today, she's learning how to be kind and polite. Do you want to learn some good manners with Ellie? Let's go. Please, Ellie really wants a cookie, but instead of grabbing it, she says, "May I have a cookie, please?" That's right. We say please when we ask for something. Can you say please? Ellie got the cookie. Yum, she smiles and says, "Thank you." Saying thank you shows you're happy and polite. Sorry. Oh no, Ellie spilled her juice by mistake. But she quickly says, "I'm sorry." We say sorry when we do something wrong. Excuse me. Ellie needs to get through the line of animals. What does she say? Excuse me. Very good. Excuse me is polite when we need to pass by. Sharing. Ellie has a toy truck, and her friend wants to play too, so what does she do? She shares it. Sharing is caring, friends. Taking turns. Ellie is waiting to go on the slide, but look, she waits her turn and doesn't push. Taking turns is fair and kind. Kind words. Ellie sees her friend's drawing. She says, "Wow, I like your picture." That's a kind word. Kind words make others smile. Helping others. A bunny dropped his blocks. Ellie helps pick them up. Helping others is a great way to show good manners. Listening. Ellie sits quietly during story time. She listens carefully and doesn't interrupt. That's being a good listener. Saying goodbye. It's time to go. Ellie waves and says, "Goodbye, friends." Saying goodbye is polite and friendly. Mini quiz. Let's play a quick manners game. What do you say when someone gives you something? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, thank you. What do you say when you make a mistake? That's right, sorry. You're doing amazing. You learned so many good manners today with Ellie the Elephant. Remember to always be kind, polite, and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Prahalad Kids World for more fun learning. See you next time.